Welcome back. Today we are at Parris RV in Payson, Utah, and we stumbled upon this absolutely gorgeous Riverstone fifth wheel. Riverstones are some of the nicest mass-produced fifth wheels you can get, so I figured might as well take a tour of this and see what it's all about. First of all, you can see this beautiful full body paint. That is just gorgeous. I love that it doesn't have a lot of dark colors to it. That gray and gold, nice straight lines. It's not a bunch of swoops and that sort of stuff. God, this thing would stand out being pulled behind any truck. To fully fit this Riverstone 4250FO, I have to back clear away from it. This is a huge trailer. I mean, I'm 20 plus feet back just to fit it in the frame. Wow, that thing is nice. What do you think, Kara?
It is sharp.
God.
Very sharp. The two-tone, the silver, the gold. It's got a bling bling effect.
It would look so good behind any truck, right?
Right.
Yeah. We would need a lot more truck though, because with this size of a trailer, you are going to need a dually at least. Let's look at the weights on this. All right, so each axle is 7,000 pounds. Gross vehicle weight rating, 24,000 pounds. Oof. That is a heavy trailer. Cargo capacity is nearly 5,000 pounds, 4,942. Wow. A lot of times they really cut down the payload or cargo capacity on these. This is built to hold it. Dry weight right here, 18,982. Length, 44 feet 7 inches. This is a long trailer. And you can have such a heavy trailer because it comes equipped with these three 7,000 pound axles with Cooper Work Series tires on them. They're a 215 75R 17.5, and it does come with the Lippert Road Armor equalizers. It's nice that it comes from the factory with a little bit upgraded system there. Right up front, you have a huge storage bay, generator prepped, 6-point hydraulic leveling. I love how they have it all set up in here, nice and clean, along with slam latches. So nice. Coming down the side, you do have your 3 slide outs. This one's a Schwintek. Then we have a rack and pinion and an electric one right there. Maybe Kara can help me pull that other handle here. Let's open up this bay. Now, I hate it when doors are at eye level or just above, because I end up walking into these and hit my head. It can't go all the way up because the slide out right here, I wish it had doors coming out to the sides, because there's nothing worse than, well, not nothing worse, but it sucks to bump your head into these. Look at how large this storage area is. It is at least 2 feet wider than most other fifth wheel storage areas. You do have your water panel here, battery disconnect, inverter switch there, your auto level system here as well. Really clean and nice. Removing this panel, you have your brake actuator here, and I think they've upgraded to disc brakes. I'll have to crawl under and see, but that is awesome. All right, well, I might as well just jump underneath now as much as I can in my white shirt to see brakes. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see it across there. They have disc brakes. That is huge. On a trailer this size, you're gonna want to have disc brakes. That's just, it's too much weight for the drum brakes. I love to see that they've switched to disc brakes. As we come down the side, if you notice on top, there are slide toppers. This is the bedroom slide here, and there is storage underneath it. Just cavernous storage everywhere here. Another one at the back. You could fit full-size awnings, chairs, all sorts of stuff. Slam latches. You do have your power cord reel here. Kara's gonna open it up for us. So nice to have a powered cord reel rather than drag that big bugger out everywhere. Thank you, Vanna White. Coming around the back, you have more storage, huge back cap area.
But wait.
But wait, there's more. That is a huge tray. And it's rated at 800 pounds, which with that big of a tray, you could put so much stuff on that. You do have your hitch at the bottom as well. Coming around, now we're gonna have 3 more slides, along with more storage all down the sides of this thing. And that last one comes with an outdoor kitchen with your gray stone griddle. That is nice. I love those griddles.
But wait, there's still more.
All right, let's follow Kara down. She's finding more stuff. Oof, that barely cleared. You got your TV outside, so if it's game day, you could sit out, watch TV, or you could watch a movie. More storage. Good heck. Huge propane bottle.
Huge.
You're gonna have to lift those, Kara.
Oh, no way. They're never coming out.
Those are gonna be hopefully you can fill those wherever you're camping at. You don't have to pack them. Those would be heavy buggers. But that storage is just amazing. The outside's pretty cool, but should we go on inside? All right, let's follow Kara in, and she is going to give you a tour inside while I shut all of the storage.
Starting off, you have your nice steps, handrail for nice ease on getting in. Walking in, there's your main power command center, little coat rack, stash the shoes, and we can go left or right. Let's take a look at the back bedroom and the bathroom. Really good space in here, lots of room. Nice little vanity sink area. Little bench there. Nice little shower station. Coming on in the master. Really nice clothes storage there. Got your entertainment center. Large closet space. Checking out the washer dryer. In this unit, that is so nice. You don't have to go to the laundromat. Doing a little closet check here. Your own little vacuum. A little dresser system there. Even comes with a laundry basket. Swinging around to the master bed. King size for you. Really nice area. Reading lights. Little station on each side. Drop a couple little things. All right, back down to the main living. Walking into the kitchen area. Really great workspace here. Wide open. You can have 2 or 3 bum kitchen in here. Great big residential. Gobs of space in here. Cabinetry all the way around this fridge for good storage, pantry use. Also on your range side, uppers, lowers, lots of drawers. Even your sink station has lots of storage. Nice little add-in right there. Washer. Swinging around to the table. Surprised that it's just a little 2-seater. It does not even convert into a 4-seater. So maybe you're watching TV and having your dinner up here on your lap.
I'm just enjoying these recliners. I love the front living areas in these fifth wheels. I know it's not everybody's favorite setup because it gives a ton of weight up front, but I love having the 3 couches. You could sit here with a group of people, have a conversation, and actually be looking at each other. I think it's so nice. I just love the overall feel. Plus, this is plenty tall. So even not, like, I'm 5'10". I can stand here and there's, almost a foot of room above me. So, I mean, if you're 6'8" or whatever, this might not be the thing for you. But for most of us, this is really, really effective use of space. And I think if you are looking for like a full-time residential almost type fifth wheel, this is checking a lot of boxes. I think the thing that checks the most boxes though is there's so many people that work on the road, and it's hard to work at that little table. I can't imagine using that as your office space, or you're using what, a dinner tray up here on the couch. I don't think it works, and you kind of need to get separated off from the spouse or whoever for meetings, whatever. That's where this is usually just a little storage area behind here, but Riverstone has changed the game.
All right, talk about a useful space. Yes, a lot of people are doing that nomad work from the road kind of situation. And not only does this have space for 1, but 2 stations. So if you're with a family needing to do schoolwork, this is a super good little office station. More storage down below for books, office equipment, whatever may need. But wow.
Even a little heater.
Oh, Jesse, thank you for pointing that out. Your own little personal heater right there.
I mean, this thing's bigger than Harry Potter's bedroom.
This window up here.
So you're getting real light in there when you're doing your work?
Yes, real light. 3 windows all the way around. So you don't even need to use power during the day in here. Swinging back into our main living. Taking another look at this furniture and this space. You've got your couches that both convert into probably good queen size bed right there.
Yeah, fold a queen, but they just fold both out. So
fold both out. One last look into the kitchen. A little overhead view for you.
This may be one of the most gorgeous trailers we've ever seen. I love the rear bedroom. The separation, I guess I should say, I love the separation in the trailer. It's not just one big cavernous space. It really almost makes it feel like a home. And if you're buying a trailer like this, you aren't using this just for weekends. You're using this for extended periods of time, or you're living full-time in it. Especially with the price tag. Now, Parris RV has it discounted. It's just under $150,000 right now, which, oof, that is a lot of money. But you are getting a lot of trailer. And if you're going full-time or for those extended periods of time, work camping, all those sort of things, and you want to be a little bit more comfortable, and you want to look amazing going down the road as well, which, let's be honest, that is part of it, at least in my book. Check out this Riverstone. We'll put all the information down below. Parris RV has it here. They're great to work with, so reach out to them. If you reach out to them, let them know that you saw it here with us. That way they know, they're getting a little kickback from letting us come and kick tires here. And we like to show our appreciation that way. So, as always, make sure to like, subscribe, all those things. That helps us out. Comment below what you think of it, whether you like it or hate it. Let us hear, because we like it, but we're kind of fans of these larger fifth wheels. So, as always, thanks for watching, and enjoy your weekend.